Hi everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. If you want to use our automation system, all you need to know to do is to get started. You register. After the registration, then you come to your dashboard. You log in and proceed to the dashboard. From your dashboard, the first thing you need to do before you place an order is to create the template you want to use. All you need to do is to create a new template. Here you are going to select the background you want to use, either for the ID card or for the certificate. So if you are going for the certificate, these are the typical example of what we've got here. So I've got this for the ID card. You can see the label here. I've got all this for the ID card. I've got this for the certificate. You can edit from any of these, or you can proceed to upload yours. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the certificate. It's typically the same thing. You may have much numbers of variable than the others. All I need to do is to switch to certificate and click to choose the file from my file menu. Good. So here I'm going to select this template, and I'm going to click on open. Then I'm going to click on upload background and start designing. So this is the landing page of template editor. All you need to do is to work around all these elements. Just take, if you want to use a text feed, you click on text feed. If you want to use image box, you click on image box. If you want to use QR code, you click on QR code, and you can drag across the face of the background. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the text feed. Then from the text feed, I will drag it to the position I want. So I want it to be here, and I can drag this from this angle to make sure it covers this space. So in the case of having a very lengthy name, is going to take the whole length here. So I'm going to put this to the center. You can leave it in the right, you can leave it to the left. Then I'm going to change the font size. So I'm going to change the font style to this. Then I'm going to increase the size. And I'm going to rename this. Now, remember, when you are naming your element, the name you are going to use on the Excel file that you are going to upload must be the same name you are using on the template. If the column that contains the name of all the people that are going to collect the certificate or the ID card is the column is name as name, you have to put name. If it is name as full name, you have to put the full name. But the most important part of it is that you use a single word. If you must use two words, make sure you use underscore to join it together. So in this case, I'm going to call it a name. Then I'm going to say okay. So here I've named it a name. Then I need another property, so I'm going to click on the text box, click and drag. Now I'm going to put it here. I'm going to double click as well, and here underscore admitted. Then I'm going to say okay. Then I can format this as well, put it in the center, make it a little border, and leave this font. So I need another variable here, so I can get it here, put it here. In the case of using Arabic text, remember to change the font family to Amir bold. This is the only Arabic text that I have for now. With your recommendation, we can have more. So I'm going to put it in the center as well. Okay, here I want to add the image box for passport. So I'm going to put it here and double click. Then I'm going to call it passport. Click OK. Then I need QR code link as well. So I'm going to click on this to get it and move the code link here. Then I'm going to double click and name it kr_link. Then I'm going to say OK. Now I'm going to name this template another design. Then I'm going to save it. This is the old version, this is the new version I just created. You can click on edit to edit it, so you'll be able to move around your variable or your element if at all you don't change position or you want. After the creation of the template, the next thing is to place an order. You click by start new order. The system will ask you what are you generating for ID card or for certificate and passport or standard certificate. This with no media upload. All you need to do is just to upload the sheet, then you proceed to download the certificate. If you want to use a certificate that have images, then you go with this. So when you go with this, you choose your file to upload. Remember, while you are creating your file, don't use space in the title word. Let me quickly show you an example. Okay, so if you are creating your file, this is what I expect you to do. The name column, you have the list of all name here. So the next variable, avoid using space. Instead, use this to give a space between your words. Then the next thing, you do the same thing for all the heading. Then you input the information. When you are done, come to the file to download your Excel sheet. Then in this case, you are going to select this comma separated value. Then when you set it, the system will download it automatically. Then you proceed to upload it where you want to use it. And you proceed here to upload. You proceed to take you to the dashboard where you can continue your. So here we have the review and cover menu. You have the list of all your data. You can search to filter. Then you can edit. If there's an error here, click edit here to do the next correction. You can click here, the image capture you upload file. Now in this case, so if you have any corrections, to input the file here, then click on save. If everything is okay, then the capture has been done. Then the next thing is to click on generate file here. You click here, you can click any reference. Select your preferred template. Then choose the file format you want to generate, either PDF, either PDF or zip file. So I'm going to go with PDF. Click on start generation process.